everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pam. It's Pamela's Creations. I'm here today to bring you some happy mail that I received. So I belong to a Crochet Blessings, and it was my birthday and it was posted on their group page, and someone sent me something off my Amazon wish list. So her name's Mahoney. I will link her channel down below because she does have a YouTube channel. So I hope you go check her out and show her some crafty love. So the first thing I got was some of this roll with it. Pull it down. I got 2 skeins of that. I have never used this before, but I saw someone making a shawl with this, and I like the colors because it reminds me of like the fall color, and so I'm really excited. This is 100% acrylic, and it's 150 grams, 389 yards, and I got 2 cakes. And this is, let's see, 4 on the hook and a 5.5 millimeter hook. A 4 weight, excuse me, and a 5.5 millimeter hook. So thank you so much, Hope. I really like this. It's super soft, and I can't wait to use it to make something with. Lovely. Oh, I got some goodies. Awesome. Another one. And then she gave me some washi tape because I told her I love washi tape. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. How adorable. We're going to love these hats. Thank you, Karen. And then she sent me some of this stuff. I like to use it for paper crafts. See, you know, it's kind of like, oh no, this is the necklace she sent me. Yes, this is the necklace she sent me that she got, I think, if I remember. Anyway, yeah, I think that's what that is. Thank you so much, Karen. Very lovely. I really love these hats, by the way. They're so pretty. Okay, and then this is the bag I ordered. She packs these well. Okay, so this is a bag. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh. I love it. And then, let's see what's in here. I will show you her card if she has it in here. Oh, how cool. And then we have this dream catcher. Oh, how neat is that? All kinds of goodies. That'll be fun to make. Definitely need to check that out. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the ornament. I didn't mean to do that. Isn't that adorable? Dear God. Let's see. Opening presents is better than wrapping them. Isn't that cute? That is so cute. I'll put it with my ornaments. Okay, and then here is a stitch marker. Those pretty. She does a good job on these stitch markers. I love this bag though. I love her bags. Guys, this is only 35 bucks. It was a bargain. Oh, and I got a little pouch. So let's see what's in here. Ooh, I think it's beads. Oh yes. She asked me if I like beads. I love seed beads. I just love beads. So these are seed beads. Perfect. And then more beads. You can do all kinds of stuff with this. Awesome. I love it. And then we got some of these. Oh yes, there's all kinds of stuff. Bracelets, earrings. And then this one. And then I got this cute bag. That's awesome. I can put my hooks in it or whatever. I like getting goodies. It is so much fun. And then she sent me some more beads. And she asked me, do you want some beads? I'm like, oh yeah, beads. Love it. And then she sent me some of these stickers. They're envelope seals. Too cool. I can always use that on Happy Mail. Okay. And then I got some of these beads. Awesome. I got some of those. And some of those. Oh, they're check glass beads too. That is awesome. And some more beads. And this beautiful cross. I love seed beads. And then this one I can use to make stitch markers. Oh, adorable. How cute is that? You put a hook on it and put it on the tree. Perfect. That is adorable. Snowman. And all of these seed beads. So much I can do with these. It'll take me a while to get through them, but you know, that's awesome. Oh, how cute. What is this? Does it open? I don't want to break it, but look at this. Unicorn. Isn't that cute? Yeah, I don't want to break it, so. Like a cameo. And a bracelet. She's so thoughtful. And I got all these seed beads. Awesome. And then I got some more beads. There we go. That's what I got in my Happy Mail. Oh my gosh, this is a lot. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you. I really appreciate it. So, my last package of my Happy Mail, was in a Valentine's Day swap. So my swap's here and I'm sending hers out tomorrow morning. So let's open it up and see what I got. This is a Happy Mail Pals group. And it came from Amber, and she has a YouTube channel called Ambies Life. I will link that down below in the description box. So I'm going to turn you around and let's see what we got in the box. 1 second. All right, I'm back, everyone. And first got my card. So let's see what's inside. It's got a cute heart. Aw, happy Valentine's Day. And I got some cute stickers. How adorable. And see here, it says, hope you're having a happy Valentine's Day. Thank you for being a partner in my Valentine's Day swap. I hope you like everything, Amber. And of course I will like everything. Super cute. First thing I got. Oh, these stuffies. And it looks like it's got hearts in there. How cute. Sequins. I'm gonna keep that on the side. How adorable. And then the next thing I got was sticker books. How awesome is that? I've never bought these before. So this will be nice. Can't wait to get into it. Isn't that cute? And I love sloths, by the way. Those are my favorite. Move it down a little bit. And let's see here. A cute balloon. It says you're awesome. And that is awesome. Ha! Me and you were thinking the same thing. And then I got these little notebooks. How cute. Ooh, got some, looks like candy. Yum. I love this jar too. I can do stuff like that. Aw, sweets for you. Thank you. Oh, follow you. I wish my Dollar Tree had these kind of stuff. They don't have a lot. Isn't that cute? A little flag. Another flag. Love every moment. And then I got some cute paints. Rock paints. How cool is that? Yeah, my Dollar Tree doesn't have this. Oh, I can't wait to do something with that. Oh, cute. Yeah, we don't have that at ours either. LED string lights. Awesome. Aw, I can't wait to color with that. Color your own decor. Color it. How many's in here? Awesome. Sorry, I was standing up. And this cute fortune cookie. And that, excuse me. I think it's a fortune cookie. Isn't that cute? Or a heart? Anyway, that's so cute. And of course, gotta get some stickers. Look at these stickers, guys. Aren't those pretty? My daughter's gonna go goo-goo-eyed over the fox. She loves foxes. And my favorite food. So, yeah, that's why I'm on a diet. Anyway, yeah. Isn't that cute? Ooh, my favorite. Socks. I love socks. Oh, socks. Oh my gosh. Oh, how adorable. I love it. Follow your heart. Isn't that cute? And of course, my sloths, because I love and adore sloths. And then hearts. Aren't those pretty? Aren't those pretty? Hang on. Oh, I see. It's a big old banner thing. How adorable. Woohoo! Bath bomb. Love bath bombs. And another fortune cookie. I think that's what these are. And I got all kinds of beautiful paper that I can recycle. And I got some candy. Yum. More candy. Oh, this was fun. Amber, I'm getting yours out tomorrow. I went and got some stuff today. And I got some cute little sequence mixes in there. I hope you like what I sent you. Your Dollar Tree has a lot more than mine does. So yeah, everyone, this is what I got for my Valentine's Day swap. What you all think? I love everything in here. And some Airheads. Yum. So yeah, how exciting. Aren't these cute? I love them. So adorable. Thank you again, Amber, for doing this with me. This was fun. I really enjoyed it. The next thing I want to show you is it was my birthday, as you know. What was it? The 7th. And by the way, I'm doing a giveaway. I started on the 7th. So I will link that a card here if you want to go enter it right before the 23rd. So my daughter, she didn't realize the face was cut off here, but my daughter got this for my birthday. It is my favorite people on the planet. It's my grandbabies. They are my world. And it's so pretty. And she knows I like pink. Isn't that adorable? I was fighting back tears, let's just say, because I'm an emotional person. So look at that. I love it. So that was my birthday present from my daughter. It came in today. So I was really excited. Okay, everyone. If you could give me a thumbs up, I'd greatly appreciate it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you can see more of my videos. I'm trying to put out more content, and I'm trying to learn to put stuff in other places social media wise so I can progress more. But I'm not tech savvy, so I've been struggling with editing and everything else lately. So anyways, guys, that is my happy mail. I hope you like what you saw. And yeah, you guys stay safe out there. Stay safe, and God bless. Bye.